Someone is at the front door. Someone is at the front door. Someone is at the front door.
Forgot my keys? No problem. Look at that. Wow. All right, so we're out here. It's a brisk day in March, and I am so sick and tired of forgetting my keys when I come to my front door. So we're actually going to be replacing this deadbolt with a smart deadbolt. And for security, we're also going to actually add a smart doorbell here as well. All right, so for this job, you are not going to be the only tool that you're going to need to use for this. We're going to have to go over a couple things first. One thing you're going to need is a small level, just so you make sure that the door is, or the door lock is level. You're going to need a small security bit screwdriver. Luckily, the doorbell we're using, Ring, actually provides us with one in the box. And another thing that they give you that's important is a small little power kit. You'll have to use this to install the Ring properly into the mechanical chime that we're going to use. And you're also going to need a screwdriver, or drill, sorry, and multi-bit drill would be great. We've got some Phillips and some Robertson heads. Multi-bit screwdriver here we're going to need as well. Needle nose pliers is going to help. You'll need a voltmeter just to make sure you've got the right voltage for the doorbell. And then, the hell is this thing called again, Keaton? It's like, this allows us to, sometimes the hole in the door is the wrong size and needs to be made bigger. And trying to do this like manually just by holding the hole saw on the door is crazy. So this actually secures on the door. It's got the right cutouts for the deadbolt, and this allows us to drill through. You might need one of these. I'm not sure. We haven't taken off the old deadbolt yet, but I don't even know what this is called. It's like a hole guide or something like that. But anyways, yeah, those are the tools you'll need in order to make this all happen. All right, guys, so there's a few stages for this job. One of them is we have to take the old deadbolt off and make sure that our new deadbolt is actually going to fit in the same hole that this one is in. We'll have to replace some of these components as well. And obviously this part on this side needs to be swapped also. Parts of the door where the deadbolt actually latches into might not be lined up with the new deadbolt properly, so we might have to make some adjustments there. And then we just have to do some testing with the doorbell to make sure that the doorbell currently is getting the right voltage for the new doorbell we're going to put on, and that it works with the mechanical chime that we have on the home as well. And then there's just a little bit of app setup that we'll go through at the end, and that should be a finished job. All right, so Keaton's now just installing the deadbolt into the hole here. I hate having keys on me. It's really annoying for me, so I love that there's just a touch pad on here. Normally there is like a handle set that goes here that matches the door lock, but we're actually not going to put that on today. I just want to do the doorbell and the door lock together, so the handle set's something we can change later. All right, so yeah, this deadbolt here, we need to make sure that it is able to match up with the hole in the door here, the top one right here. So let's see if that works. How'd that feel? Pretty good. All right, let's try a test on it and see. Code right now I think is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just try it and see if it works. Pretty good. Sweet. All right, so Keaton's got his ladder here, and he's just going to get up on the ladder and unhook the power to the doorbell from the chime. It does relay from the electrical panel to there and then to the actual doorbell. So he's just going to deactivate that just so we have no power going onto the wires when we actually install the doorbell. Keaton's just going to pull that off. Riveting. So Keaton is installing a small little battery into the mechanical chime that allows you to, yeah. All right, guys, so we have the lock and the doorbell both installed, finished. I can use the touchpad if I want to get inside now. No keys required, but if you want to be a psychopath, there is still a key slot for you. That unlocks my door. I think I jumped the gun there. There we go. It's very quiet too, which is really nice. And if I ring this doorbell button here, it'll work with the mechanical chime in the house. And then I have several devices in the home that are also going to notify me that somebody's at the door, in addition to also letting me know on my cell phone. All right, guys, so why did I do all this? The reason is convenience. So watch this. Echo, show me the front door. I can also see who's at my door from my phone. I can also talk to whoever is at my door from either of these devices. I just want to show you guys my epic credenza. You know, these two totes are really holding things together here. But also, I can see who's at my front door. If I'm watching a movie, I don't even have to get up. I can just talk to my TV and the camera will pop up on here as well. All right, guys, so we got the lock and the doorbell done. We're going to be adding some security cameras and an alarm system in the next video. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.